What's this one full of?
Stuff.
Wait, what does that make this one full of then?
Other stuff.
Yeah.
The last one's cooking stuff, like baking and tea bags.
What's in here then?
It's a freezer, so probably frozen stuff.
And in here then?
It's the fridge.
And in here then?
So, like, yellow pages.
Yeah. In here?
The microwave.
Yeah.
Anywhere else?
Yeah. What's up there?
Nothing. Probably those cobwebs.
Yeah. And what's in there?
Nothing, it's just a bowl of...
Yeah.
You done?
No.
Okay. That's an airing cupboard.
What's in there?
It's an airing cupboard. So is my boiler. And
Yeah.
boiler.
And what's in there?
Plates and shit.
Yeah. Oh, and what's in there?
Other plates and shit.
Yeah.
And
Hey, what's in there?
alcohol cupboard.
Oh, we did that one.
Yeah, we did that one.
Oh, thank you, really.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Bye.